So I'll scratch my groove here. I think I've got my sewing machine set and ready. I did some practice runs on the stitch length. And I've got a 200 needle white polyester 346 thread. I forgot to check something. That's created a little bit of a mess. I don't have enough thread on the top. Okay, to be continued. I'll change my thread and come back. Okay, I'm back from my little intermission there. I checked the bobbin a while ago, full bobbin, but I failed to look at the top thread. So I picked the stitches out, about 1.5 inches worth, which was pretty easy. And now I'm going to start over. Gotta help it along here. Let's see. Right there. I believe that's it right there. Take a look at what we got. Pretty pleased with that. Back looks good. What I'll do is pull these stitches and kind of loop down like 1.5 stitches. Pull that lock right in the middle, and then you can trim that off, tap it down. And then there will be a rivet up here. I kind of like the way they did their rivet. They dropped it down a little bit from the top, and that gives that a little relief there for the knife to stick that in there. Okay.